Hello everyone. We recommend you this mini air compressor for the screw air compressor. It's 3.7 kilowatt. The air compressor, now you can see this is the air filter inside here, inside valve, and then this is the air end. Now this is motor. 3.7 motor. The air end is smaller. Yeah. Now this is oil filter. Oil S separator. This is oil gas tank. This air tank, oil gas tank. Now this for the contactor. The PLC run stop. The pressure gauge. Our Kotech, welcome to visit our website www.kotechgroup.com. Yeah. This is our brand. This model is product name is Ceylon Machinery Shanghai, and this model is KED 3.7 AT. Is capacity 0.2 to 0.4 kilometer per minute. The power is 9.25 kilowatt. Yeah.